Experience effortless airport transfers with Tejas Tours and Travels, a step-by-step guide. Embarking on a journey with Tejas Tours and Travels for your airport transfer is a seamless process designed for your convenience. Follow this step-by-step guide to navigate our airport booking process effortlessly. Number 1. Visit the official website. Open your browser and navigate to the official Tejas Tours and Travels website. Number 2. Locate the Book Now button. Explore the user-friendly website and prominently displayed at the top of the page, you will find the Book Now button. Click on this button to initiate your booking process. Number 3. Choose Airport option and select the vehicle type. Upon clicking Book Now, you will be directed to a page where you can choose the Airport option. Select from a range of vehicles including cabs, 1 to 7 seats, tempo travelers, 8 to 18 seats, minibuses, 14 to 25 seats, and buses, 27 to 50 seats. Number 4. Browse the diverse fleet. Explore the diverse fleet of the vehicles and choose your favorite. Click the Select button to proceed with your choice. Number 5. Select City, Airport, pick type, date and time. After choosing your vehicle, click on the Select button. On the next page, enter essential details including city, airport, home address, pickup type and pickup date and time. Click on the next button to proceed. Number 6. Enter contact details. Provide your contact details including your name, mobile number and email ID. At Tejas Tours and Travels, providing your contact details ensures seamless communication, keeping you informed about bookings and offering exclusive discounts. They value your choice and enhance your travel experience with personalized update and exciting offers. Number 7. Choose your vehicle. Review the available vehicles and select your preferred one. Click on Book Now button to proceed. Number 8. Confirm trip details. Explore the fare breakup price option in the bottom right corner for a transparent breakdown of your journey's cost. It unveils the base price, driver allowance, 5% GST and total kilometers, ensuring you to have a clear understanding of the expenses for a seamless and budget-friendly travel experience. Number 9. Apply coupon code if available. If you have a coupon code, enter it and click on the Apply button. Number 10. Finalize and pay for your trip. After reviewing and confirming your trip details, proceed to secure payment with Tejas Tours and Travels. Choose from a variety of safe and convenient online payment methods including UPI, credit and debit card, net banking, wallet and EMI, or opt for a pay later option. Enjoy a hassle-free and secure payment process tailored to your preferences. Number 11. Receive instant confirmation. After a successful payment, you'll receive instant booking confirmation. This confirmation includes comprehensive details about your journey, the assigned vehicle, the driver's information, and the trip itinerary. With Tejas Tours and Travels, your airport transfer becomes a hassle-free and organized experience. Enjoy the journey with the assurance of a reliable and professional service. Our airport booking process is a customer-centric approach designed to make air travel seamless and stress-free. The combination of online convenience, diverse vehicle options, transparent pricing, and dedicated customer support reflects our commitment to providing a superior airport transport experience. Whether you are a frequent flyer or embarking on a special journey, trust us to elevate your airport transfer experience.